Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Federal income tax withheld is the portion of your earnings that your employer takes directly from your paycheck and sends to the U.S. government. Think of it as a down payment on your annual income tax bill. The U.S. tax system is pay-as-you-go, which means the government doesn't want to wait until April 15th to get all the tax money it's owed for the entire year. Instead, they require you to pay your taxes in installments throughout the year, and for most employees, withholding is how this happens. When you start a new job, you fill out a Form W-4. This form is crucial because it's your instruction manual to your employer. On the W-4, you provide key information like your filing status, whether you're single, married filing jointly, or head of household, and the number of dependents you have. You also account for other jobs, spouse's income, or any tax credits and deductions you expect to claim. Based on the information you put on that W-4 and how much you earn, your employer's payroll system calculates an estimated amount of federal income tax to withhold from each paycheck. This money doesn't sit in your employer's bank account, it's sent directly to the IRS and credited to you. So, where does this all lead? At the end of the year, it's time to file your tax return. This is where you figure out your actual total tax liability for the entire year based on your total income and all your eligible deductions and credits. You then compare this actual tax amount to the total amount of federal income tax that was withheld from your paychecks all year long. You can find this total withheld amount in Box 2 of the Form W-2 your employer sends you. If the total amount withheld is more than your actual tax liability, you get a tax refund. That refund isn't free money from the government, it's simply your own money being returned to you because you overpaid. If the total amount withheld is less than your actual tax liability, you will owe the IRS the remaining balance. The goal is to get this as close to zero as possible. You can adjust your withholding anytime by submitting a new W-4 to your employer if your life circumstances change, like getting married, having a child, or getting a second job. Understanding federal income tax withheld is key to managing your finances and avoiding surprises at tax time. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel.